Gentlemen, just a quick catch up on my geraniums that I've grown from seed this year. Show you the ones in the garden. These are the ones I rescued from the hanging baskets last year. As you can see, looking well, but look at that little pest there. I've noticed that. There's a little insect that actually is in the middle of that. The name escapes me at the moment, but it'll come to me. But all I do with that is just get the hose pipe on it and just wash it off. As you can see, they've done really well, and I've not fed as much as I normally do this year because they're normally 2 or 3 times bigger than this. Because the hanging baskets were later going up, but I'm looking forward to naming these. That's gorgeous, lovely. With the rain and that, it's as though it's washed some of the colour out of the petals. But there were 20, I think I got 21 that grew out of 21 seeds, so I did really well. That's because I had a grow light. You can see food pellets that had to be used. These are organic ones, so they should be good, but I try not to use any. That little pest down there, there's not there. So I'll get these watered and fed again. And I've never grown the ivy leaf ones, as you can see. They do actually like ivy. So I'll pop these on a few days. I do like that colour, that's absolutely beautiful. And it's really jazzy, that colour. So then I have got, where else is in here? I think that's about it. Oh, there's some of the hanging baskets here. Gorgeous colour. And behind you, 2 seconds. Yeah, look at that one there. That's a really deep red. That reminds me of the 50s and 60s when they used to be all over in council parks and stuff like that. These get a lot bigger as they grow. But I've thrown the middle out there just to let them send out some side shoots. Ivy one there as well. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I feed them on a mixture between tomato food and an high nitrogen feed. You get the hang of it. You soon learn what you get best out when you feed them. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe. Good day, thank you, bye.